you're experiencing issues with syncing your FIFA 24 account, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you enable account sync effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause syncing issues, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of FIFA 24 installed. Go to your console or device's store and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patch can resolve many syncing problems. Step 3. Restart the game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may help in resolving any temporary glitches that are causing the sync issue. Step 4. Check EA server status. Visit the EA website or check the social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online to sync your account. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your EA account. Go to the account settings within the game, disconnect your account, and then log back in to re-establish the connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in FIFA 24. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.